I need you poolside. You've been on my mind. What if you want mine?
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drea Marie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this, stay true to this and hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be installing this Bohemian wig from Ilikehair. So girl, don't go nowhere. Let's get right into it.
I like your soft side. I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job.
Alright girlies, so I'm going to go ahead and do the install and I'm going to add some music on top of it. And then I'll be right back and we'll discuss all of the wig details.
What if you want mine? But don't matter anyway. I like your soft side. I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When they get that desire, you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, whoa, yo. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Blinding. Baby, if it's only, tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only, tell me, am I saying too much? Baby, if it's only, tell me, am I doing too much?
Alright girl, so for starters, this wig is from Ilikehair and it's their Knotless Mini Twist Lock Bohemian wig. The lace is HG, so it's super easy to blend. I did a little quick half up, half down, and I absolutely love the results. I just love how easy this wig was to install. It literally took me about 30 minutes and it saved me so much time. I didn't have to deal with my natural hair or sit in the salon for hours upon hours. Girl, a quick 30 minutes and boom, these were the results, and I absolutely love that down. So this wig comes with combs, an adjustable strap, and a drawstring, so best believe it's super secure. So this is a drawstring that comes with it. I already pulled it, but I just love how fully adjustable this wig is. You can loosen it, you can tighten it. It's fully customizable. This wig is 180% density, so it's super nice and full. And y'all, this wig came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and on top of that, let's get into the hairline. The hairline is super natural looking, and on top of that, I just love the full flexibility of this wig. You literally could part this wig any way your heart desires. Overall, I just love how quick and convenient this wig is. Go ahead and drop down in the comments. Let me know if you guys are feeling this wig. And girlies, you already know what to do. If you guys are feeling this wig, I will have the full details in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned to Lady on the Moon, and I'll see you soon. Love y'all.
I need you poolside. You've been on my mind. What if you want?